In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Caravan key fob. This key fob just takes one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to change the battery yourself at home. You can pick one of these up online. I will leave a link down in the YouTube description to get one on Amazon, and then just follow along. It's really simple. First step is to look right here in the bottom left, find this little slot or indentation that we are going to put a flathead screwdriver into, and with a twist we have created separation between the two halves of the key fob, and then going in that opening, working our way down, twisting, it will come apart very easily in our fingers. Just remove this rubber part, set that aside, and now we can get at our battery here. I'm going to get under the battery and lift it up with my screwdriver. Just dump it out, pops out really easily. There we go, CR2032. Make sure the positive side goes face down. Just like that, it clicks back into place. It's really easy, guys. All you need to do now is reposition the rubber part, reposition and click back together the face of the key fob, and we are done. If that video was helpful for you, feel free to give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.